等一下，我好像麦没开。
麦开了是那个蓝的和亮就是开了是吧？可以的。
对，蓝就是。
能检查一下？
我可以塞兜里吗？
可以。
都可以。好了，就直接开始。
Okay, so is everything okay now? Yeah. Hello.
Hello,
This is Alicia, and it's nice to see you guys again.
this is Mandy.
Yeah. So today is two of us will introduce you more about Halum. So last time we have more live stream about our company, the showroom, the factory. So some of the friends was ask us that what is your product and how it is looks like. So today we're gonna give you some ideas about what is our product and how it is consistent. So I think the first of all, I'd like to have Mandy to introduce a little bit of our company again. So to welcome our new friend today. And so, okay, Mandy, you can go ahead.
Okay. Firstly, I will introduce you from our company. Let's see. Our company is called Halum, and H-A-L-U-M-M. You can see the thing. Halum is come from Hanover, a city in the Germany, and you can see our name Halum. H-A is from the Hanover, and the L-U-M-M is from the aluminum, and here is our company, and you can see we have two buildings. This building is our office room, and this building is our factory. The room is located in the Hangzhou Yuhang area, and we have we have 3 floors workshop and 5 floors office room. Let's see. Now this is our office building. In 2019, we got the Lead Gold award, and you choose our product. We can also help you to get the Lead Gold award. Here is our work lighting, and let's see. This is our office room. Here is our production line, and we have Halum combines introduction design and process manufacturing, such as we have a machine from Italy. It's called a Fimbo. You can see this is all photos from our factory. And today we will introduce the prefab interior in space solutions, such as here is our project cases all over the world. Here you can see some of
Okay, let me help you. So, today we're going to give you some ideas about our interior solutions, which is mainly about the partition wall. So here's a map of some of the big projects we have done over the world. Like in Middle East, we have worked with PBAET, which is the university in Kuwait, and also the Saudi Aramco. It's a very big company in Saudi. And also in North America and Australia, we also have many projects which is undergoing or have been finished. So yes, today we are. This is just a part of it, and we have more is on the way. And for our interior solutions, we have been applied in many fields, which is, for example, the commercial building is the main part, and for banks, exhibitions, For exhibitions, we have accomplished for the two big summits in China, which is the G20 and the BRICS. And for example, the hospital is another big field in our company. You know, we have done many hospitals in China, and we are the government reliable supplier in Zhejiang and in many other provinces. So today, these are some of the very popular series of products that we would like to introduce today, and we will go through it one by one. So the first one is our most popular system, the prefabricated system. We call it steeple. So why we call it steeple is very interesting. For example, STEE, that is the shorten of the steel, and PLE is the shorten of the simple. So two words combined together, steel, simple. That is the main meaning of our product. And for this one, for this system, we have 41 dB acoustic sound acoustic performance, which is very high, very suitable for the commercial building or the office. The using. And also for this system, we have 2 hours fireproof, so do not worry about your office, the people's safety when you face the fires. And also another one is our material is 100% recyclable, and most importantly, all the system is very fast to set up, so it's very convenient and welcome to our customers in construction and contracting. Even some owners who doing the co-working spaces like our system a lot, because it saves a lot of time when they build up their renting offices. So next, we're going to give you some, this is some pictures of this system when you build it. This is the Benz. This is the Benz factory. This is the Benz factory, the workshop in their factory. And here, this one is also the co-working space in Australia. And next, I would like to have some introduce about our this steeple. So this is a sample of our system. It's very small, but it actually can show you the interior. I mean the inside consistency. So from the appearance, you can see we have two different kinds of material, which is the solid one and the glass one. And for the solid one, it is made of steel panel, which is a 0.8 mm steel panel, and inside is a 12 mm gypsum board. So I will dismount it and let you see more details. Okay, so here you can see all these panels of steel is made in one shape, and here we have some small hooks. These hooks is consistent with our main pillar, which is here. This is our main pillar, if you can see it clearly, okay? And this is the main pillar, which is go through with the vertical and horizontal one. And for these holes was very precise manufactured with our production line, which is introduced before. And for this shape of profiles also in one shape and is made of 1 mm galvanized steel. And these hooks was precisely manufactured to match the hooks on the panel. So in this way, we can make sure that this system is very accurately installed and also suit for your space. Okay, so with the gypsum board here, we can make sure your steel panel, which is very straight, and also it has some weight loading when you hook up on the system and this panel is stable. It won't fall out, or it won't fall down, or be hit when someone is hit it. And we have another one which is the glass panel. Okay, if you can see, this glass panel is not only the glass. So this glass was inserted in the aluminum frame, and all this modular is prefabricated, it's pre-made in our factory. You can see on the back, it's very thick. And on this seal, on this full side, we have the this kind of rubber, which is on there. There are two glass panels on both sides, right? So this kind of rubber is used to seal the gap of between two glasses, and also with these gaps, with these rubbers, the dust won't go in, and also for better sound acoustic. So for our client, for you, if you received the product from Halum, okay, you will not receive the glass separately, but you receive the whole module. You received the whole module of panel and also the glass. So with this kind of design, the modular design, the prefabricated design, it's very easy for you, for your staff to install and also to build up your offices. Okay, so next, let's see the system itself. For our system is very easy and very simple. For example, there are only a few parts of it. The top and bottom channels, which is the U channels, made of also steel. This is the U channels of the top and the bottom. And the vertical pillars is these pillars, the same pillars as this one. And we have on the bottom of each panel, each pillar, there's adjustable feet. Adjustable feet is used to adjust the height of the wall. For example, when you build the wall, the ceiling and the flooring is not leveled, then you can use these adjustable feet to adjust the wall leveling. Also, there's another point. Maybe this one is better. In every of our profile, there has this kind of holes. So this kind of a hose is used for the wirings and pipes. For example, you will have some electronic equipment and the light, the switch, and you will need to go through with some wires and pipes in your office. So do not need to break any walls or to do painting anymore. You just go through the wires through our pillars. Then it will be very easy for you to do the maintenance and to do the fast installation. Is very convenient. And what's more, in every of our main pillars, I mean the vertical and horizontal pillars, they have this rubber. This rubber is also used as the sound acoustic, and also to give the seamless gap of the panels. And here on the back side, I want to show you more options about our surface. So before we have the glass in aluminum frame. The frame is very slim, actually. It's very slim. And we have the frameless one, which is the glass is on the top of the aluminum frame. And for this type, you can do it as a writing board, or use some switchable glass, which is very popular now in very high-end office buildings. This one is also pre-made in our factory. Also, another issue, if you do not like some simple color, like in one color, then you can choose some something like this, which is in PVC film. And the PVC film have many other patterns, for example, the fabric and all kinds of wooden patterns. For example, when you use something in the wooden color in your factory, in your office, or in your even bedroom, then this is a very warm design. And also many others is available. So if you wanted to know more about this part, you can leave messages and we will get back to you. Okay, let me think what is left. Oh yes. So you know, in order to have we will always say we are process manufacturing and industrial design. So the tracing system is very important in around our production line, and also you can see each of the material. I mean, each part of the material we will have this QR code to be printed in our materials. So you're not even for the main pillars or the panels. We will have this kind of QR code to print it on material. So with this QR code, you or your workers can just scan this, and they will know which part it is used in your project and what material it is. So in this way, your workers or your installers will be very easy to find the material. And in future, if some of the part is broken, for example, this panel here is broken, then you can scan a QR code on the back. You can scan a QR code on the back, and it will tell you what is this panel and the size and the project name. And you get this information back to us, and we will do the same replacement for you. So was it very interesting? And yes, so this is all about our steeple system. And you know, the steeple system is not only used for the double the wall, divider walls. And also we have the similar system of steeple, which is used for interior wall climbings. For example, the elevator hall, they will have some covering of the walls, or the original dry walls. So most of them will, to choose some gypsum board or some aluminum wall climbings. But for Halum, we will recommend you to use our steeple wall climbings, which is the same climbing system as our steeple divider wall system. This is the same hook, which is produced in one shape, and also combined with this gypsum board. So yes, the pillars we have for wall climbing, we have two sizes. The one is the bigger size is the same as our divider wall, and we have also the smaller size, which is used for some particular use of the wall climbing system. So with our different sizes of the pillars, we can allow you to have your wall climbing wall thickness in different sizes from 40 to 80 mm difference tolerance. So you can adjust it according to your project case. Also, the panels, the same as our divider wall, it can have many different options. For example, the fabric, pillar, the MDF panels, wooden panels, even the HPL panels, mirrors, and glasses. I think anything that you would think, we can do for you. So this is the backing of our the wall climbing system. So this kind of bracket is used for adjustable the tolerance between the dry wall to our surface wall. So also we have the adjustable feet on the bottom, and these kind of U channels can be customized according to your project site. Yes. So this is the two system about our steeple system, about our steeple wall partition. And here we have an example. our work for this system is another very big advantage is it can be used for to redefining your space. For example, this is the original office plan, and we have some different options for different offices, like the green part, the glass panel, and the blue part with blind, and the divider wall we may use some steel panels and also wooden panels. And sorry. So for this kind of plan, then in the very first place, we will have some kind of this ceiling tracks on the top. I mean, combined with ceiling. So they will have some ceiling tracks here and here. So sorry, I missed the another floor plan. Later, if they wanted to redefine this space, like the meeting room, to move to here, and they can dismount all the materials in this part and move directly to here. So in this way, there's no material was wasted when you do some renovations, and it's also very fast. Here is some advantages, like we can insert some device, and also this is the one that I talked about the cabling system. And here for the steeple system, we have many options, which is the first one where you are finished already for the ceiling and the floor, and you can have do some renovations. Then you just install our partition system directly to the ceiling and the floor. Another issue is when your space is under construction and you are doing Cat A or Cat B the renovation, then you can have our main pillars to go through to the top and the bottom of the drywall, and your ceiling and floorings and walls can be combined together. I mean to be done together. You do not need to wait till any other process. Also, we have this is a comparison about our installation. Here are some project cases. Okay, so maybe Mandy will introduce you our another system, which is the aluminum system. Okay, Kyle, would you please give me the samples? No, okay, this one.
And I will introduce another sample. And this is our aluminum system. It's called Europe, and you can see this is the blind. Here I will introduce some data from the Europe, and you can see this is our Europe samples. Its width of the single partition is the 1012 mm, and the height of the partition is up to the 2000 mm, and the thickness of the partition is 100 mm, and the deviation of the size is the tolerance is 5 mm adjustable. Here you can see the height of the down skirting is from the 45 mm to the 100 mm, and here you can see the Europe solution is the double glass solution. Here some blind. We can adjust the blind to see how is going in the inside and.
Yes, for this system, we can see it's combined with the aluminum profile, and the thickness of this profiles is 44 mm. So it looks very elegant. It's very elegant design, and you can combine it with some blinds like this, or use just glasses, double glass. And the sound acoustics is also very good. It can reach to around 40 dB of this system, and the thickness is 100. Is 100. So this is a very typical design of our aluminum system. Also, we have another one. Kyle, please give me the big sample. Yeah. So this is the another design of our Europe partition. So, for example, you have seen something which is the two glasses between with main pillars. I mean the aluminum main pillars. So for this one, it's very popular design now in the market. It combines the two of glasses together, which use the silicone glue to combine it together. And the main system is the same as the Europe design. The thickness of these profiles are the skirting is 44, and the thickness of the wall is 100. Just the difference is this kind of glasses we must use over 10 and 12. I mean at least 10 and 12. So you can see we use such thick glass, and it can make this system very sound acoustic. And also when you use it for the corridor walls, it will make your space very transparent and also looks very high-end. Okay, Kyle, please. Very heavy. So for this system, for this Euro system is very classic system in Halum, and for some of our clients, they may think they want something like looks similar, but it's more cost effective. So we have another type which is very looks like the the Europe system, but it's in different profiles. It's in different profiles. So this is another system of our this kind of aluminum system. So the profile you can see is different. So this type we call Olin, and we do not have the sample today. Maybe next time we will introduce you more. And it has the similar, almost the same appearance. And but the thickness of the wide of this profile, this part, the main pillar part, is smaller. For the Europe it's 44, and for Olin it's just 32. So this is the main difference. And also because Olin have the smaller pillar, so it is more cheaper. If you wanted to know more something about the pricing of this product, you can leave us messages, and we will have someone professional to get back to you. So these are some project pictures from all sides of the Europe design. Okay, next one is another our single glass system. Mandy.
Here is our another one single glass system. It's crystal, and you can see it looks like its name crystal, very transparent and very beautiful. Here you can see some sizes of crystal, and the width of the single partition is up to the 1012 mm. Here, and you can see the height of the partition is up to the 3000 mm to aluminum alloy, and the thickness of the partition is 27 mm. Here you can see the dimension of the size is tolerance is 5 mm adjustable, and the height of the downskating is 44 mm.
The down skirt is for this part.
Yes.
And also the top and the bottom. This is the bottom channel. This is the top channel. And for better installation, we have the bottom channel to be in two parts. So actually they are the same profile, but just for easier installation, when you insert the glass in here, and you have this cover to be installed to fix the glass. And also on the two sides, the profiles will be the same. So for this system, we encourage our clients to, make some stocks of our profiles, and you can purchase the glass in your local place. So with this system, you can have some simple project very fast installed with your stocked profile. So if you have any similar idea which is have some interest to us, then you can contact us for more details. Okay, what is next? Here are some pictures. Okay, this is the some information about All-in, which is as I talked before, the smaller profile, but looks similar as the Europe system. Okay, so yes, come with the fast, please. Okay. Now many people are like something more slim and more transparent. So here we have our new product, Vast. And here are some basic informations. The wall thickness is very slim. It's only 19 mm, and it can have the wall height up to 3.2 meter, and we have the modular design of 1 meter to 1.2 meter. The glass can use as 10 or 12 mm, and the skirting, this skirting is only 32. Please give me the All-in profile. Yeah. This skirting is the same wideness of the All-in profile. It's very slim. So if you look at this system, it's a very slim design, and the glass is also used 10 or 12 glasses to be combined with the acrylic groove. And so if you use this system in long corridors, it not only gives you a very good sound acoustic, but also it have the very elegant design and very classic and high-end view of your office. As I talked, for double 10 mm glasses, it can reach to 45 dB sound acoustic. If you use 12 mm, then this sound acoustic performance can be even higher. Here are some details. So this is the profile section of the Vast design. Also, the installation is very. Here we have the even the connection. The T section of the glasses. This is the comparison about our Europe system and our Vast system. The main difference is that here we have the slimmer the skirting, but the Europe system we have 44, but here we only have 32. The glasses, they both can use 10 or 12 mm, but it's more the two system, the installation is totally different. Here are some installation data. So I wonder if you can see it clearly. Here we have some insert on the bottom of glass, and also the glass joint is different with the European system. So for this system, we will talk about this system in another separate part to have more details presented to you. Because this system, we have also the faster system. We have also the sliding door and the slimless door. So we have many new parts which is developed to fix this system. And yes, we will talk about it later more in another part of our live stream. So do not forget to follow us. The last one is our movable partition. So Mandy, do you know something about the movable partition?
Just like its name is movable, and it's the big difference from the former partition system.
Yeah. So as its name is movable partition, yeah. So you can see it's wheels. In each part, they will have 1 or 2 wheels, and it's only hand on the ceiling. I mean, there's only check on the ceiling. There's no checks on the floor. So this kind of wall is mostly used in the meeting room. I mean, big meeting room or the banquet halls in the hospital. So for this system, the thickness is also 10 mm, and also we have this slimmer one is 75 mm. So the two sides. And for the surface, we have different surfaces as well. For this one is fabric, and also we have the panel one. I mean, with MDF panel or with laminated panel, or even we can make it as the writing board or the mirror, or the mirrors even possible. And for the height, we can do maximally like 12 mm, 10 to 12 mm, 10 to 12 meter of this kind of high wall in one panel. So here we just have one model, and yeah, we will see some pictures. Here is some pictures about our project. Like this one is combined with glass and panels, and sorry. Yeah, also we can have some glass options. This one is not. This one. This is combined with the glass and the panels, and we will have more pictures later. Also, we have the mirrored one. I mean, for some yoga room in the gym, they use this kind of movable partitions. Okay, so that is all about our sample introduction today. It's a very very rush. So maybe some of the details we do not give it very clearly. So if you have some questions, welcome to contact us and follow us halom@halom.com, and follow us in our Facebook, our Instagram, and LinkedIn. So we will have our sales engineers come to contact with you to help you do a more fashionable and modern high-end office space. And also I think that's all today. So is there any questions welcome to us today? No? Okay, so that's all. Let's see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye.